Hey everybody, Dan Ward here and welcome to the How to Make a Video video. Now, you probably already have some content, so the first thing you got to do is translate it from written English to spoken English, so it'll sound more natural. I recommend using phrases like, the first thing you got to do is. Now, personally, I like to write out a script that's actually pretty complete. I do go off script sometimes, but for the most part, I write down everything I plan to say. That helps keep me focused and reduces the number of retakes I have to do. But when I read the script, I'll put in little pauses. And yeah, my script literally right now says I put in little pauses. Okay, let's look at the mechanism for recording a video. First, find the record option along the top menu bar. That'll open up a new submenu, so click on the From Beginning icon. And that will open up a new interface that's going to look something like this. Okay, you'll see your script along the top. That's where it says, hey everybody, Dan Ward here. And so when you're ready, click on the big red button, watch for the countdown, and then it's showtime. Okay, so say your piece and then click page down to bring up your next slide. Once you love what you've recorded, and if you're like me, it's going to require multiple takes. But once you love what you've recorded, you'll find these little video clips embedded into each slide. You can resize them, you can relocate them anywhere you want. And you can even hide your video behind an image or a box, so your voice track is still playing, but the viewer just sees an image. Now, I recently learned you can also trim your video clips right here in PowerPoint. Like if there's a little blip at the beginning or at the end that you want to take out, just select the video clip, look for the two new options that'll pop up at the top of the menu bar, video format and playback. Click the playback button, then select the trim video button. When you're all set, go to File, select Export, and then click the Create a Video option. You'll want to use the recorded timings and narrations, which means the slides will automatically advance as soon as the embedded video clip is done. And that's it. Once you've got your video all done, it's time for ice cream. And if you're curious about that moving background, click on Insert, Pictures, Stock Images, and then check out the Videos tab.